Festival has also brought in an award-winning performance called Great War. This live animation theatre is an artistic trend that is fast catching on in Europe and is performed by the multidisciplinary theatre group Hotel Modern here. Paul Force with his preview.
The Great War tells the story of the First World War. In one scene, puppet soldiers are bombed in a soil pit. This is filmed live and projected on a large screen. This way, the audience can watch the movie and at the same time experience the making of the movie.
It's never a nice experience to look at a real dead body. And we show puppets dying, and then you can look at it in a more deep way. You don't have to be afraid or to be shocked. You can just reflect on it.
And critics say the production is striking for the contrast it draws between the tiny scale of the performance and the enormity of the events it represents. More than 50 instruments are also used in this performance by one sound artist to create the sounds of battlefields, machine guns and even growing trees. Take these coconuts for example. They're used to mimic the sounds of a horse's hooves.
When you have a tank, for instance, I use a vibrator and I put it on a tin can with marbles inside. And I do a coconut on top of it. So that gives the idea of sitting in a tank.
The Great War is the production's first foray in Asia.